Feeling sluggish and weighed down by toxins? Your kidneys might be crying out for help. Discover a simple, daily drink that can transform your health by flushing out harmful toxins and revitalizing your body. This natural remedy is easy to make and incredibly effective. Stay tuned to learn how you can boost your energy and feel rejuvenated like never before. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, where we bring you the best health tips and natural remedies to enhance your life. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to join our growing community. Today, I'm thrilled to share an easy, homemade drink that can help detoxify your body and boost your kidney health. If you find this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Leave a comment below if you've ever tried a detox drink or if you're excited to try this one. Let's dive into the secret of detoxification. Let's talk about our kidneys and why they are so crucial to our overall health. Our kidneys are incredible organs that work tirelessly, filtering around 50 gallons of blood each day. They help remove waste, toxins, and excess fluids from our bodies, keeping our blood clean and balanced. Imagine all the unwanted substances they have to deal with daily, everything from the food we eat to the air we breathe. Over time, these toxins can build up, potentially leading to fatigue, skin issues, and even more severe health problems. Now, what if I told you there's a simple and natural way to give your kidneys a break and help them function even better? By incorporating a specific drink into your daily routine, you can support your kidneys in flushing out these harmful toxins. This isn't just another health fad or a complicated detox regimen. It's an easy-to-make, refreshing drink that uses ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. Stay with me, because in just a moment, I'll reveal this powerful recipe. You'll learn how each ingredient works to cleanse your kidneys and rejuvenate your body, and you'll be amazed at how quickly you can feel the difference. This drink isn't just about detoxification, it's about giving your body the support it needs to thrive. So, get ready to discover how you can boost your energy, improve your skin, and enhance your overall health with just a couple of sips a day. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Let me introduce you to this game-changing detox drink that's both easy to make and incredibly effective. You'll need just a few simple ingredients: 1 cucumber, 1 lemon, a handful of fresh parsley, 2 cups of water, and a tablespoon of grated ginger. To prepare, simply slice the cucumber and lemon, then add them to a blender along with the parsley, water, and grated ginger. Blend until smooth and pour into a glass. For the best results, drink this concoction twice daily, once in the morning on an empty stomach to kickstart your metabolism and flush out toxins accumulated overnight, and once before bed to help your body detoxify as you sleep. This drink is packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Cucumbers provide hydration and aid in flushing out toxins, lemons are rich in vitamin C and support digestion, parsley acts as a natural diuretic, and ginger boasts powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Together, these ingredients create a potent elixir that supports kidney function, boosts your energy levels, and leaves you feeling refreshed and revitalized. Give it a try and experience the incredible benefits for yourself. The scientific research behind the drink. Scientific research supports the benefits of the ingredients in this detox drink for kidney health and overall detoxification. Cucumbers are known for their high water content, which helps in hydrating the body and flushing out toxins through increased urine production. A study published in the journal Phytotherapy Research highlights that lemon contains citric acid, which can help prevent kidney stones by increasing urine volume and acidity, creating an unfavorable environment for stone formation. Parsley has been shown in studies to act as a natural diuretic, helping to increase the excretion of sodium and water, thus assisting in detoxification and reducing the risk of kidney stones. Ginger, well documented for its anti-inflammatory properties, can help reduce inflammation in the kidneys and improve overall kidney function. Together, these ingredients create a potent, natural remedy that supports the body's detoxification processes, boosts kidney health, and enhances overall well-being. Incorporating this drink into your daily routine can be a simple yet effective way to support your kidneys and improve your health. Disclaimer: while this detox drink can support kidney health and overall detoxification, it is not a substitute for professional medical advice. If you have any existing health conditions, are pregnant, or are taking any medications, please consult with your healthcare provider before adding this or any new regimen to your routine. Everyone's body is different, so it's important to ensure this drink is safe and suitable for you. Remember, maintaining a balanced diet and staying hydrated are key components of a healthy lifestyle. To recap, we've learned how vital our kidneys are in keeping our bodies free from harmful toxins and maintaining overall health. We also discovered an easy-to-make detox drink using cucumber, lemon, parsley, water, and ginger, which can help boost kidney function and detoxify your body. Remember, for the best results, drink it twice daily, once in the morning and once before bed. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest health tips and natural remedies. Leave a comment below if you've tried the detox drink or have any other detox tips to share. Stay healthy, stay happy, and see you in the next video.